Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today is all about the electric dryer. If the dryer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy solutions you can try to get the appliance back up and running. If you have strange letters or numbers on your display screen, these are error codes. If the dryer is not performing like it's supposed to, these can help you determine what is wrong with your dryer. Like all things electrical, things can get a little buggy at times. In some cases, you will be able to unplug the power cord and wait a few minutes. This can reset the machine and get you back up and running. If you reset your dryer and it's not responding to controls, sometimes this is more of a gunk problem than an electrical one. If your dryer has knobs that come off, you can start by cleaning the undersides. The knob posts, post holes, and the general area are usually covered by the knobs. This alone can restore some dryers back to immediate functionality. If you're still encountering issues with your dryer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that repair call can save you time and money. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.